7 we are starting with your English MCB Oxford New Pathways. These two stories of Unit 2 are from school stories. School के बच्चों की कहानियाँ हैं. तो decode the jumble words to find the names of characters from school day storybooks. Where did you read these names? So this is Neville Longbottom, which is a character of Harry Potter, the series about the magician boy. If you have gone through them, if you have seen the movies or read the books, then this is Tom Brown. It's a book about a boy, um, Tom Brown, and the author's name is Thomas Hugh. So this is about also the school days of Tom Brown. Then you have Holden Caulfield. He is the icon of teenage rebellion of J.D. Salinger's novel The Catcher in the Rye. He is a Dutch author. So the name of his book is, sorry, this is not Dutch, but The Catcher in the Rye. Rye fields, you know, and which one goes when you go in a field, तो आप स्ट्रेट लाइन में नहीं चलते. यू आर वेरी कॉम्प्लेसेंट कि जो है कोई एक्सीडेंट नहीं होगा, आप आराम से चलते हैं. तो दिस इज़ अबाउट अ बॉय, a catcher in the rye. He's an icon teenage Holden Caulfield. Right, so these are all fictional characters which are found in storybooks. Then you have Darrell Rivers, and this is a series written by Melody Towers, and it's about a girl of 12 to 17 years. Her name is Darrell Rivers. So they are all characters of books, teenage characters. Now we come to this section 1, the diary of Anne Frank. Who was Anne Frank? She was of Jewish origin, and let us read about the experiences of a little girl, both at home and in school, as recorded by her in her little diary that she named Kitty. तो ये एक लड़की के अनुभवों के बारे में है, एक टीनेज लड़की के. ये जो एन फ्रैंक थी, ये जूइश ओरिजिन की थी और बेसिकली डच थी ये. और ड्यूरिंग नाजी ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ नीदरलैंड्स दे हैड कम टू लिव इन जर्मनी. और वहाँ पर जो है शी वॉज एक्चुअली taken to a concentration camp where she died very miserably. So the extract is taken from the Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank, 1929 to 1945. So that means what was her age? Hardly 16 years. She was a German Jewish teenager. She had German origin and Jewish. To escape the Nazis during World War II, Anne and her family stayed in the annex above her father's office in Amsterdam for 25 months, 2 years and 1 month. एनेक्स होती है एक छोटा सा अपार्टमेंट होता है जो ऑफिस के साथ होता है. तो ये छुप के वहाँ रहे क्योंकि जर्मन्स जो थे वो ज्यूज़ को ऑस्ट्रोसाइज कर रहे थे, उनको मार रहे थे, उनको कंसंट्रेशन कैंप में ले जाते थे जहाँ पर उनको बहुत ही मिजरेबल कंडीशंस में रखा जाता था. दे वर नॉट गिवन फूड, दे यूज्ड टू बिकम स्केलेटन्स एंड दे वर raged with all kinds of diseases, and they were never treated for that. The experiments were being conducted on them. It was horrible, worst disaster of the last century. That was between 1939 to 1945 during the Second World War, where the Nazi Germany under Adolf Hitler had killed lakhs and lakhs of Jews. They just put them in gas chambers and killed them for no reason whatsoever, just because of the racial hatred, because they were Jews. So that's the most horrifying thing of the last century. So she stayed that in annexe for nearly 2 years and 1 month, and after being betrayed they were arrested and sent to a Nazi concentration camp. किसी ने उनको बता दिया कि ये यहाँ रह रहे हैं, किसी ने उनको धोखा दे दिया, फिर उनको नाजी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कैंप में भेजा गया. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कैंप्स वही थे, टॉर्चर चैम्बर्स थे. सो इन मार्च 1945, 9 months after she was arrested, Anne Frank died of typhus. She was barely 16 years old. तो 9 महीने बाद टाइफस एक तरह की डिजीज़ होती है, तो उससे जो है इट्स स्प्रेड ड्यू टू रैट्स एंड ऑल. तो वहाँ पर शी वॉज सेंट टू ऑशविक कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कैंप से लेके उसे उनको बर्जन बेल्सन में भेजा गया था. तो वहाँ पर बेचारी शी डाइड, अ यंग गर्ल ऑफ 16 years old. It was very tragic and soul stirring. This is so. Let us see what she writes. She was a girl full of life, and she was so loved by her parents and her sister, and taken care of. And it is unimaginable that how can such a misfortune fall on a girl like her. So it is Sunday, 14 June 1942, when Anne Frank was 13 years old. So on Friday, the 12th June, I was awake at 6 o'clock, which isn't surprising since it was my birthday. 12 जून को होता था उनका बर्थडे. 6 बजे उठ गई थी, हैरानी की बात नहीं थी, जल्दी उठ गई थी, उनका बर्थडे था. But I am not allowed to get up at that hour, so I had to control my curiosity until 6:45. But she was not allowed to get up at such an early hour, so she had to control her curiosity. Means अपना जो उनको जो ये बहुत ही उत्सुकता थी कि देखें क्या गिफ्ट्स मिलते हैं. So that was her desire to know. But she had to stay in bed for 15 more minutes, that is till 6:45. So when I couldn't wait any longer, I went to the dining room where Muzze, the cat, welcomed me by rubbing itself against my legs. तो वो वेट नहीं कर पाई, नीचे चली गई डाइनिंग रूम में. तो उनकी जो कैट थी उसका नाम मुझे है. तो वो उसने उसको वेलकम किया बाय showing her affection by rubbing itself against her legs. A little after 7, I went to Daddy and Mummy and then to the living room to open my presents. Living room होता है ड्राइंग रूम, राइट. जैसे ये इनका लिविंग रूम था, ये वहाँ गई अपने गिफ्ट्स और प्रेजेंट्स को ओपन करने के लिए. शी वॉज वेरी क्यूरियस कि क्या मिला है. एंड यू वर द फर्स्ट थिंग आई सॉ. किसको कह रही हैं? अपनी डायरी को. शी गॉट अ डायरी एज अ प्रेजेंट, और उसका नाम उन्होंने क्या रख दिया? किटी. मे बी वन ऑफ माई नाइसेस्ट प्रेजेंट्स. ये गिफ्ट उनको सबसे अच्छा लगा. Then a bouquet of roses. This is bouquet, but it is pronunciated as bouquet. तो bouquet roses का था, गुलाब के फूलों का एक गुलदस्ता. Some pennies. Pennies जो होती हैं ये एक तरह की करेंसी होती है. And a potted plant. और क्या मिला उनको? Potted plant मिला एक. And then these were the first flowers. ये जो फूल थे, pennies actually are flowers, sorry, they are not money, it's flowers. Pennies are a kind of flowers. और एक potted plant भी मिला. तो ये पहले फ्लावर थे सीज़न के. Later I received more of some pennies and a more